What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Fresh, right off the presses, 1969 Charger RTSE. It's got a factory 440 date-coated engine in it, automatic 727 trans. Rear end are all numbers matching, so is the transmission. It's got factory wheels. It's got a good set of tires all the way around. It's had one paint job about 15 years ago. Pretty much all original throughout this thing. What a gorgeous stance on these Chargers. They are just sexy. We don't see enough of them. This is a nice one. Beautiful gold paint. SE vinyl top in great shape. Nothing to talk about up here. Real nice up on top. Got the vent windows, sport mirrors. Look at those lines. Drives out wonderful, brakes great. All the front chrome is in good shape. All your lights, turn signals are working. Wipers are working. Hood lines up excellent. All your glass around the car is in real good shape. All your chrome moldings are in good shape. Front fender lines up great with the door the way it should, right gaps. Clean. All the way down through the valances to the rear quarter panel. Really nice. No paint flaws really. Rear quarter, good shape. No real flaws. Trunk lines up well. All the way throughout. Your rear glass and chrome is good all the way throughout. Look at that. Nice. Come on, man. That's a nice ass. Dual exhaust coming the way they should. All your lights in the back are working. All your gauges are working correctly. Rear passenger quarter, no flaws that I could see, and lines up the way it should. Front door, same, with a sport mirror. Clean car, straight body. Really nice. Interior's all in good shape. Seat belts in the rear are intact. Rear deck is good, and headliner. All your lights inside are working as well. Interior's in real good shape, pretty much original. These are coming harder and harder to find. Real nice factory color. I'll show you the trunk in a second. Door panels are all good. Clean. All your carpets are good. Dash pad is good. Center console. $44,713 miles are showing. I was told it's only a couple owners had this thing. Got a couple vent lips that are broken, but nothing of major. It's also an air-conditioned car. I forgot to share with you, which just popped in my brain, which is important. Nice. RT SE. Not many of those. All your weather stripping is good. Look how nice it is inside there. Spare tire, jack, nice and clean. It's a real nice car. Bam, there you go. I'll take it up on the rack, shoot some pictures. Pretty original. Pretty original. All right, I'm gonna put this down for a second. I want to open the hood, everybody. Hang in there. Okay, aluminum radiator. Nice feature, keep the car nice and cool. Fresh battery, all your belts and hoses are in good shape. It's got power disc brakes. It's a 440, date coated, which the car came with, but it's not a numbers matching on the engine. The trans in the rear end are original manifolds. Nice upgrade. Air conditioning unit is intact. Nice car. That should tell you everything you need to know with these Chryslers and Dodges. That spelled it out for you. All right, what did I do with the keys? Here we go. Do a little fire in the hull. Okay. Oh, even the clock's working. There we go. Someone loved this thing. All your gauges are working. I hear the radio crunkling in the back. Nice sound. Just the way it should. Give it a little bit more gas. Real clean car, everybody. Someone's getting a nice one. So you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, please go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com, find the car, hit apply now, minimum down 10%, will go as far as 84 months. If you are a 740 score and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, again, up to 84 months, good rates. How nice this thing is. We've got over 100 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, photo, and video is online. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, open and enclosed. If you have any questions on our cars or questions on shipping, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. We'll get you in, spend a little time with the car, answer your questions, and get one of these home with you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for spending a little bit of time on this beautiful 1969 Charger. Have a great day, everybody. You'll be seeing me soon. Bye.